be showing you egg and vinegar mixed together and what happens overnight. So I'll put this egg in a cup carefully and I pour this in. Pour it in up to here, this line. Like the third line. And pour it in. And then you're gonna see like it's gonna start to phase on the egg. That's like because the egg shell is getting off because vinegar is eating it. And we'll see what happens overnight. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye. To the video. It's the next day. We have the egg sitting in the cup still. I'm gonna get it out with a big spoon and just lay it out on this tissue. So it's really squishy. The shell's kind of still here. Over here, the shell's kind of still here. Over here, it's like a bouncy ball, guys. Look, you can see here, it's squishable. Right here, not really sure about it. So I'm trying to dip a little in vinegar.
Are we done? Get up.
And just wait for a few more minutes and see if it'll change. So now, as you can see, I'm gonna take the egg out again and check on it. So yes, it is ready. It is pretty bouncy. Eggs aren't usually bouncy like this, right? It is really bouncy. Even this is vinegar. You can't eat it. So the egg is really bouncy, and as you can see, vinegar and egg overnight for one day, like 12 hours, will make the shell go away and make it really bouncy. And what will happen if it would break?